To repair your antenna, you'd want to do this if your phone doesn't have any signal. You can't call, you can't receive calls. Maybe it's a hit or miss. It works sometimes, sometimes it doesn't. Usually it's just unplugged, so you'll want to check your antenna cable, which is this white one running from the board down to your antenna board. You'll want to check that to make sure that that is plugged in and that that is plugged in as well. And if they are, then your antenna could be going out and you can replace that. So I'll show you here on the close-up, kind of the side of it, and you have a little clip right here that's holding the antenna onto the housing. So you want to undo that clip, and the easiest way to do it is kind of get in here and just get right under there and lift it up. Doesn't take much, and you'll release that clip off of the antenna, and then that'll allow you to pull the antenna itself out of the housing. So we'll go back to the main shot, and you kind of work it. It does not take much at all to get it up, and then just slowly pull the antenna cable out of this guide that runs down the side of the housing, and we'll unplug the old antenna cable, plug in the new antenna, and you can use your fingers, or if you need to use the tweezers or something, you can do that. But so once that's plugged in and it's secure, I usually line up these notches, this guide and that guide, with the two down here. So those two right down there. So you want to line those up. Just kind of get it lined up. It's all just going to kind of snap in place. Just get it lined. You can just give it a push, snap it, and then we'll go back to the close-up, and I'll show you the guide here where that goes. So it's this farthest outside guide. Just kind of slowly move the cable up, and once you get to there, you want to leave it kind of free, because when you put your board back in, you'll want to be able to move it over and plug it in. But so as long as that's in there, this is all down, snapped into place, you should be good to go. Remember, put it back on the phone and test it, but that's how you replace the antenna cable.